Hi everyone, this is Sinyoung from Lémore Beauty. Many of you lovelies requested this video, so we're excited to share our quick facial, gua sha, and acupressure massage for glowing skin. This massage routine is perfect for squeezing in a healing and beautifying self-care for yourself. Without further ado, let's begin. First, we will prep our skin with your choice of facial serum or facial oil on clean skin. The right product will provide a luxurious glide throughout your facial massage. For me, I am using our all-natural and vegan illuminating facial serum. I love using this facial serum, especially for gua sha facial massage. And because I know you will ask, you can find our products at lemorebeauty.com. I'm going to go ahead and get one pump here, like so, and mix it with water. So my hand is wet with water here, and mix the two together like this. And we're going to gently press it all in, all over our skin here. Making time for your self-care here. And it doesn't have to be a lot of time for your self-care. All over your chest, your neck, pressing all the goodness into your skin here. And the rest you can put on your hands, the tops, and your nails as well. Now we will begin our facial gua sha and acupressure massage for glowing skin. Make sure your gua sha tool is clean here. My gua sha tool is clean. We're going to start from the forehead and work our way down towards our neck here. For gua sha technique, we'll do 2 swipes per section. So starting from the eye and the forehead area here, we're going to place our tool like so, parallel to 45, and we're going to glide up towards our forehead here. And wiggle. One more here, like so, wiggle. And we'll do the other side here, placing the tool like so, and glide up towards your forehead, wiggle back and forth here. One more. Then we'll do the center here, placing the tool like so and glide up towards your hairline and wiggle back and forth to release any tension, tightness, blockages here. One more. And doing this also really helps prevent visible fine lines and wrinkles as well, not to mention bringing awareness to our facial posture as well, to relax and release your facial expression, to soften. And now we're going to sweep it like so. So placing the tool like this, we're going to glide and wiggle here. One more, like so. And we'll do the other side here, placing the tool like this and sweep it out and wiggle. One more here, like this, and wiggle. And we'll do the upper eye area here. For the eye area, make sure to be gentle here with the pressure. So just really light pressure here. And we're going to place it like so. And sweep it up and out towards your temples here, and just wiggle back and forth here. You can use medium pressure if you would like here. If it's too tender or sensitive, you can use light pressure. So just listen to your body and your skin here. Tuning in. One more, like so. Releasing. We'll do the other side here, like this. One more, like so. Doing this is amazing for alleviating symptoms of headaches, as we tend to carry a lot of tension in these areas. And now we will move down to the lower eye area here. So placing the tool like this, sweep it up and out, and a little bit lower than the previous here, we're going to wiggle back and forth here. One more, like this. We'll do the other side here, like so, and wiggle back and forth. You can always make this facial massage as fast as you want or as slow as you want here. So just really make this your own here as you get more comfortable. One more. Release. And we will do an acupressure between our brows here, like so. And just bring awareness to your posture here, stand tall, and look into your inner third eye here. The area between your brows, about here, your inner third eye. Release. And now we're going to do the upper cheek here. So placing the tool from the side of your nose, sweep it up and out like so. One more, like this. Wiggle back and forth here. We'll do the other side. Placing the tool like so, sweep it up and out. One more here, like this. And release. And we'll do the cheek here, the under the cheek area. So place the tool like so, and use that groove here to go through your divot and wiggle back and forth and release here. One more, like this. And release. We'll do the other side here. Same thing. Going through the divot here, wiggling and release. One more, and release. And now we're going to the lower cheek here. So placing a tool like this, sweep it up and out, wiggle. One more here, sweep it up and out, wiggle. The other side here, sweep it up and out, wiggle. One more here, like this, wiggle here. And now we're going to do a little acupressure with movement on our jaws here. So placing the tool like this and go back and forth here, like so. It just feels amazing here for releasing and loosening up our jaws here. Release. We'll do the other side here, like so. like this. Release. And now we're going to do the jawline here. So placing the tool like this, and we're going to sweep it up and out. Release. One more here, sweep it up and out, and release. We'll do the other side here, sweep it up and out, release, sweep it up and out, release here. And we'll do under the chin here, so placing the tool like this, and we're going to sweep it up and out, and wiggle at the edge here. One more, sweep it up and out, and wiggle. Other side here, placing the tool like this here, we're going to sweep it up and out and wiggle. One more here, like this, and wiggle. And now we're going to sweep it all down towards our heart for the lymphatic drainage here. So placing the tool like this, parallel to 45, and sweep it all down towards our heart here. Really helping with the purification and detoxing process here, like this. You can do more than 2 swipes here if you would like. It just feels so amazing. Like so. Sweep it all down. And now we will clean our Gua Sha tool with warm water and soap for your next facial massage. So I'm going to wet my Gua Sha tool with warm water here. And soap it. Like so, gently here. Massaging. And rinse it with warm water. You can dry your clean Gua Sha tool with a soft towel, like so. Being careful here. And you can store your clean, dry Gua Sha tool in our Lémore cotton pouch, like this, for added protection and portability for your precious gemstone Gua Sha tool. Well, we just showed you our quick facial Gua Sha and acupressure massage for glowing skin that you can easily follow along at home. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling and looking amazing from the inside out. Thank you for joining. May we all nurture patience, kindness, and compassion for ourselves and others. Om, peace, love. Take care. Bye-bye.